My name's Christian Green, and I'm from Mississippi. And one thing that I like about SNU is that the staff here actually care about you, and they care about you succeeding, and they want you to do well. And coming from a large university to a smaller university is something that you get here that you won't get other places.
It feels almost like having personal lessons. All my questions are explained. And it's nice to learn on simulators, not hurting animals.
I am always keen on technology, so that's why I like that in addition to theory, we also use technology.
We often visit farms too, so not only do we learn in class, but also in the emergency rescue, surgery rooms, farms, and other facilities. This gives us real-life experiences, and when I'm done studies here, I will be more prepared than most, and most definitely more confident.
The best part of having international friends is learning from each other and being so different from one another, but finding things in common with one another, such as a desired field in veterinary medicine.